The reason, the need why you worked so hard to campaign, you prayed to be the president, just for you to want to be hated for no reason. Why did you do so? And on the issue of the debt, that he should not take more loans. I want to also educate him on the issue of loans. And it's as simple as this. We had a great economist who was called Franco Modigliani, an Italian-American-based economist who won Nobel Prize because of economics. Franco Modigliani stated clearly that during your working days, you can save more as you work so that you fund your retirement. And that is the introduction of the loan system through a theory called the life cycle consumption theory that he came up with. Okay? So, what you ought to have enjoyed in 70 years' time, you can enjoy it now by taking a loan for it, by taking a mortgage for it. Then you pay slowly as you enjoy it. Because probably you can save all your lifetime, then when you reach the retirement age, you are not existing. You shall have been dead by then. So what you need to enjoy in the future, you can enjoy it presently as you pay for it. Therefore, the loan system is not wrong. What is wrong is you borrow money. If you borrow money, and there are so many leakages like corruption, then you find that this borrowed money is going to waste. Then there was also a gentleman called Merton Miller. Modigliani, Franco Modigliani and Merton Miller came up with a theorem that states that the debt and the equity in a company, an amalgamation or a mixture of the debt and equity in a company, okay, need not necessarily bring down the company, so long as the market is efficiently run. But you see, our company in Kenya that Gachagua is referring to is not efficiently run. Therefore, we will go down whether we like it or not. You know, this is a model that was being used by Lee Kuan Yew in Singapore. When he introduced, when Singapore was growing, developing, he decided to introduce the idea of the housing, and I think Tut has borrowed it from Singapore. But you see, the application is wrong. You can borrow something and you apply it wrongly. What I think the government is doing now, or what they want to do, is to introduce that tax. After introduction of that tax, they want to raise money so that they spend it now and create a problem in the next 15, 20 years. Because remember, the government, they are claiming they don't have money. So they want to raise money. After having that money, they spend it. But what are they creating? A problem in the next 15, 20 years. So this problem that is being created now will find root or not in power. But it shall have created a big problem. So let him go back and read about Lee Kuan Yew of Singapore on how he managed the idea of the housing to its citizens and the taxation of the same.